Hello, beloved. Thank you for joining me once again on today's video. I'm glad to have you here. How are you all doing? I hope and pray you're prospering in health just as your soul prospers. My assignment on this beautiful day that the Lord has made is to deliver you from ashy skin. Let's get into it. I know that the weather is changing. It's becoming colder, very cold, or dusty and dry in some parts of the world, what we know as Hamatan. Hamatan and winter. It's that time of the year. And you know what I don't want to see? I don't want to see your finger webs looking ashy. I don't want to see your elbows and your heels looking ashy. You cannot know me. You cannot be part of this family and you have ashy skin. Yeah, I know it's cold. I know it's really dry outside, but that's not an excuse. Okay? Your skin can stay supple, soft, glowing, moisturized, hydrated, and all the things, even in the harshest harmattan or winter season. I'll walk you through a simple routine and share my hacks with you for moisturized skin. And I'm talking about all day moisture. You wake up in the morning and take a shower, and in the evening, you're still looking on point. Yeah. First thing you need to do is hydrate. Okay, the weather is dry, humidity is low, and the tendency is for the atmosphere to draw water out of your skin instead of your skin drawing water from the moisture from the atmosphere. When the atmosphere is humid and there's moisture in the atmosphere, your skin thrives. But when your skin is dry and the atmosphere is drier, the atmosphere is pulling out of your skin. So the moisture that is supposed to be in your skin is being hijacked by the environment. So you have to make sure that your moisture is on low, and that starts from within. Drink water. Stay hydrated. I know it's kind of difficult to drink water, especially when it's cold. It's because when it's cold, you don't really think about, you don't get thirsty, but you need to drink water. Keep your skin hydrated. Drink coconut water, get your electrolytes in. Stay hydrated. When you're hydrated, your skin is hydrated as well. Eat your vegetables. Just ensure that you're giving your skin and your body the hydration it needs, because your skin is part of your body. It's a body organ, and what you feed your body, you feed your skin. Okay, now let's get into the routine proper. You want to stay with everything that has to do with hydration and nothing that is stripping your skin. So the Koji-san soaps, I know you won't brighten your skin, but that soap strips your skin of its moisture. So it cannot be your go-to right now. You can use it a few times a week, but it's not your go-to. You want something that is moisturizing, something that is not stripping your skin of its natural moisture that it's producing, but adding moisture to it. So you can go for something like this. This is the Dove Gentle Bar Moisturizing Soaps. These are really affordable. I think they're like 1,500 francs or 2,000. 2,000 is really, really exaggerating. This thing should be like 1,500. It smells amazing. It is the perfect gentle body wash. You don't have to break a bank. Okay, if you do not have money, and I'm really trying to keep this budget friendly, moisturize your skin with this in the bathroom. This will take off dirt, grime, dead skin cells, and all the things while replenishing your skin's moisture barrier, so you don't come out of the bathroom with no moisture to even begin with, because your skin built on moisture. So use this in the bathroom. It's gentle enough to use on the face, on the body, and on the intimate areas as well. So I'm a Dove girl. I have so many of these. I always buy them. I have it in my bathroom. I have spare packs. I always have this. Moisturize your skin and ensure to keep your shower routine or shower time short. The reason why some of us get dry skin is because you're staying so long in the shower because it's cold and you want to just get yourself cozy. And I know how soothing and good it feels in the shower when you're having a warm bath, but you need to keep it short, because the longer you stay in the shower, the more you're predisposing your skin to dryness, because it's going to strip your skin of its natural moistures. I'm not saying you should do whoosh, 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 stay back and step out. I'm saying take a proper shower, but don't exaggerate it. Don't make it too long, and keep the water temperature. Yeah. Lukewarm water is the sweet spot. It shouldn't be cold. It should not be scaling hot either. Some of you all are in the bathroom like you're a chicken. You're like you can your skin can literally be plugged once you get out of the shower because you're cooking yourself in there. No, you don't have to do that. Hot showers strip your skin of moisture. Please keep your shower temperatures down. Lukewarm water. Okay, my loves. Thank you very much. And once you're done, if you're going to, before we get out of the shower, if you're going to exfoliate your skin, please avoid the harsh scrubs. Your skin is not a crocodile. This skin is soft, it's delicate. Please, please stop using harsh scrubs, all the harsh sugar, apricot, salt scrubs, anything that you can feel on your skin. You don't have to feel the scrub. The scrub has to be gentle enough to take off the dead skin cells without stripping your skin, and it doesn't have to hurt. Some of these sugar scrubs you are using are so harsh, and the thing about using very harsh scrubs is it's not only stripping your skin of its moisture, it's irritating your skin, and irritation leads to inflammation. Inflammation leads to hyperpigmentation. So you may be even noticing that your skin is dull. It's just this overall dullness, and you may be wondering why. That is why when your skin is irritated from using harsh scrubs, you get hyperpigmentation. There's a dullness, like there's this uniform dullness that you experience. And you may be thinking, oh, is it your moisturizer is not doing a good job? You're looking for a new serum or a brightening moisturizer when you're causing the problem with harsh scrubs. So please use gentle scrubs. I love this one from Devis Naturals. It's the Total Body Detox Scrub. It doubles as a cleanser as well. This is gentle. My skin is soft. I like to pamper her. Okay, so I go for soft things. The Dove Exfoliating Body Polish is also one of those. And it will exfoliate your skin, please. It will exfoliate your skin. Maybe we can even talk about how to exfoliate your skin. Because the things I've been seeing on TikTok, these TikTokers, what I see people consuming and sharing. We're going to get into that. But yeah, if you're going to exfoliate your skin, please use something gentle. Once you get out of the shower, don't completely dry out your skin. And if you're using a towel, just dab. If you're wiping your skin with a towel, you're already irritating your skin and you're already stripping your skin. You can end up feeling itchy after shower or just irritated, like dry. No, don't use the towel too. You can dab, pat dry, okay? And allow some water on your skin because you're going to need that water to build up a moisturized skin. So after dabbing just dab the excess water, go in with glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant. It draws moisture into the skin. So glycerin is going to kind of like take the leftover water, if I would put it that way, into your skin. It will draw that water into your skin, and now it's going to condition your cells, it will plump up your cells, it will moisturize your cells, and you already have a good foundation to layer your lotions, because actually it's all about layering. Yeah, it's all about layering. If you're going to have moisturized skin, you're going to have to put in the work. Okay, it's work. Okay, yeah. And by the way, are you new here? You've never seen this face? Welcome. Glad to have you here. Take the front seat, join the family. I hope this will not be your last video. Join the family by subscribing and smash that like button, because when you do, the algorithm tells other people that this content is valuable and there's something good here for them. So please, thank you very much. Like we were saying, applying glycerin on the skin. Let the glycerin soak up that water into your skin and condition your skin for your lotions. After this step, go in with your moisturizer, your body lotion, and it will be better for you to go in with a thick cream, creams that contain occlusives. Occlusives kind of seal in moisture, so your lotion can have a blend of humectants and occlusives. Humectants will soften the skin, it will draw water into the skin, it will moisturize the skin. Emollients will help to, fill in all those empty, dead, dry spaces and just balance your skin out, and the occlusives will seal in moisture. If your lotion has a balance of these three, great. If it has just humectants and emollients, still fine. But go for something that is rich. Something like the Urea Advanced Repair Moisturizing Lotion is a good pick. Urea is also great for It's like a keratolytic and exfoliant, so it's helping to soften your skin. I personally love amlactin. This one is moisturizing, but it doesn't have a very thick consistency, but it does the job for my skin. If you have extra dry skin, you want to go for something that is much heavier. Take your time, massage your body lotion into your skin. At this point, your skin is getting the memo. Your skin is soft, it is supple, it is moisturized, and it is distributing the moisture evenly. You want to focus on the hard to reach areas or the dry areas, that certain parts of our bodies that are drier, like the feet, the knees, the elbows, the back, whatever part of your body is drier. Take your time to massage your lotion into it. And then you use a body butter or oil. In fact, if your skin is really, 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 really dry, I would say use the body butter instead of oil. But if you have both, you can use both. Not to make it too long. Me, I go the extra mile because God forbid my skin is ashy for 1 second. God forbid. So the body butter I recommend is the Davis Naturals body butter. I tell you guys, I have not used the body butter that has left my skin in awe like this one. It not only moisturizes the skin, it gives this subtle glow. It's not greasy, but it's giving a subtle glow. It's giving a subtle glow. That's what this moisturizer does, and it keeps your skin moisturized all day. I legit use this moisturizer in the morning, and 12 hours later, my skin is still moisturized. I will do this, and there will be no lines. This is the worst thing, is having to scratch your skin and see the road to Damascus. That's no, that's mm-mm, 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 mm-mm. Please, let's not be that. Let's not be like that. Use the body moisturizer. This is, look, I have it in the bigger container. I can't do without this. And this is like enough. If you're going to, you can use this without glycerin, without a body lotion, and your skin will still stay soft. So it's either glycerin, body lotion, body butter if you have extra dry skin, or glycerin, body lotion, body oil if you have moderately dry skin. Or if you're the type who doesn't have the time, you honestly do not have the time, bros, I'm talking to you all, this will do. Honestly, this will do. Okay, this will do. And it's not heavy on the skin. It's going to keep your skin moisturized. It's not going to make you dark. Please and thank you. It won't make you dark. And I'm going to mention oils. That's because oils are like occlusives, just like the body butter. This body butter, like I said, is a blend of oils and conditioners and things. But you can also get yourself an oil, whichever oil you like. I love Palmer's. I've been using this for the longest time. And seal your lotion in. Like I said, I'm going to repeat it. Glycerin, body lotion, oil, or glycerin, body lotion, body butter, or simply body butter. Focus on the areas that are ashy, your ankles, your heels, your elbows, your palms, and you can even just, put this in a small container or whatever tube, something you can carry along. Go about your day. Each time you wash your hands, you moisturize your hands with this. And I promise you, you will make it through this season looking like a snack and not overnight bread. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Stay glowing, stay moisturized, and I'll see you in my next one. Shalom.